Welcome! If you've noticed your Telegram chats on PC feeling a bit static lately, there's a quick way to bring them back to life. With the latest update, Telegram gives you control over chat animations, and turning them on only takes a few clicks. First, go ahead and open your Telegram app on your computer. Make sure it's updated to the latest version so you can access the newest features without any issues. Once the app is open and ready, look to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Click on those lines to open up the main menu. This is where you'll find all the important settings and options for customizing your Telegram experience. From the menu, click on Settings. This will take you to a new screen where you can adjust everything from notifications to appearance. Inside Settings, look for an option called Battery and Animations and click on it. This section is specifically designed to help you manage performance and visual effects. Now you'll see the option labeled Animation in Chats. If it's currently turned off, your chats might feel a bit plain. Simply toggle this option on to enable smooth animations like message transitions, sticker effects, and other visual enhancements that make conversations more engaging. After enabling it, don't forget to click on Save to apply your change.